Hello guys and welcome to this video. In the last video we talked about how to add files into the software and put them in organized folders. Like in here. As you see, we have two videos in the video folder and we have files in the image folder and the audio folder. Now I will show you how to add and organize files in the timeline. I already showed you how to add files to the timeline, but it won't do us any harm if we saw that again. So all we do is we click on the file, then drag it to the timeline. So the video is already in the timeline. The bottom tracks are for the audio files, and the ones in the top are for the video and images. We put video files in the top tracks and the audio files in the bottom tracks. As I said before, click on the file and drag it to add it to the timeline. You click play and here we are. Both the video and the image are there. We can control the timeline length from here. We click here and we can make the timeline look smaller or bigger, like this. I will leave it like this. Double click on the file track and I can change the file look like this. We change the preview of the files. The files look better like this. You can see what we have on the timeline. And double click again to return to the former look. You can apply this to all of the tracks. Double click to change the view or the look of the files. You can put the files wherever you like. All you have to do is click and drag the file and you can position it in whatever track you like. And you can also control its beginning time. For example, you can make it start at this time or whatever time you like. You have the time right here and you can put the track wherever you like. For example, I want it to start at this time, I put it right here. I want it to start from the beginning, I put it right here. You get the idea. Same thing applies to all types of files. I will add an audio file. I add it to the audio tracks. As I said, these are the bottom tracks. Double click to change its look. And I can position it wherever I want. I click play to run the files on the media player. Now if I wanted to delete any file, all I do is I select the file like this, then I click on delete from the keyboard. And here we are. The file is deleted. And I can delete multiple files by selecting all of them and clicking delete from the keyboard. And Ctrl Z to bring them back. Now if I want to add another track, all I do is right click and I select add track. And here we are, we have another track. As you see, we had 3 at first, now we have 4. Now if I want to add another track, all I do is right click and I select add track. Here we have the 5th track. Whenever you need a new track, you right click and you select add track. And if you want to add multiple tracks at once, all you have to do is to right click, then you select add tracks, then you insert the track number you want to add and its location, and you click OK. For example, I will add 5 tracks at once, and here we are. Here are the 5 new tracks added. You can edit the track size from here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. and I will see you in the next one.